So, across the globe, with COVID-19 at its peak, people taking precautionary steps by wearing masks, staying indoors and washing their hands to prevent the spread of the virus. However, in a recent video, a woman was captured deliberately coughing on a man's face in Australia. The video has gone viral and made netizens furious. The clip, which was posted Tuesday on Twitter, was shot on a train in Sydney, Australia. It shows a woman getting in a verbal fight with a man after coughing at him without covering her mouth after he told her not to do so. The woman responds by saying that she coughed inside her mouth. She then fake coughs at him.
Yeah, you're disgusting too.
Are you serious? Did you just cough at me?
After that, the man removes his headphones and his glasses and asks, "Did you just cough at me?" with astonishment. The exchange between the two has divided the internet into two groups. Which side are you on?